three, let's go!
So hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here then hi, my name is Revti. I make videos related to fashion, lifestyle and आपको बहुत सारे vlogs भी मेरे चैनल पे देखने को मिलेंगे. तो वीडियो में आगे जाने से पहले सब्सक्राइब के बटन पे पहले क्लिक करो. आज दिवाली है तो प्लीज gift me something and you can gift me by subscribing to my channel. So please don't forget to hit that subscribe button before moving on to the video. And if you want to know how I achieved this makeup look and also if you want to know what is my Diwali outfit, what I wore for Diwali, then keep watching and don't forget to watch the whole video because if you do, it would mean the world to me, and also if you subscribe to my channel, it would mean the world to me. So yeah, let's begin with the get ready with me for Diwali video. And guys, I'm not lying, okay? Today is Diwali and this is exactly how I got ready for Diwali. This is like a pure, raw and real video कि मैंने कैसे दिवाली के लिए मैंने मेकअप किया और कैसे तैयारी की और क्या आउटफिट पहना और क्यों ये आउटफिट पहना, ये सभी वीडियो में बताया. So keep watching. So guys, I'm obviously in my night suit. So before starting the makeup, I'm gonna put my hairband. So there we go. And now we can finally start with the makeup. So obviously the first part before doing my makeup, I would like to do some skincare because you know why not? First pamper our skin before putting all those artificial products. Artificial, I mean putting products basically on my face. I would like to pamper my skin and make it a good canvas so that the makeup can get applied properly. So first I'm going to take this Mama Earth face serum. I've been actually using this before applying my makeup quite since a long time. Not a long time actually, since the past couple of days. Like I've been trying to include this in my skincare. So yeah, I'm loving this product. It definitely makes my skin radiate and yeah, I love this product for sure. गाइस मैं कोई मेकअप गुरु नहीं हूँ, पता है आप ये, अगर आपने मेरे प्रीवियस के भी मेकअप वीडियोस देखे होंगे तो आपको पता ही होगा. मैं ये हमेशा बोलती हूँ तो आई माइट डू सम स्टेप्स रॉन्ग, यू माइट थिंक शी इज डूइंग दिस रॉन्ग, इट कुड बी पॉसिबल राइट. So please don't judge me क्योंकि yeah, it could be possible that I can go wrong, but that's because even I'm someone who's getting used to applying makeup and all of that. So yeah, I'm trying to learn to do a good makeup, at least normal day-to-day life wala makeup. I'm trying to do it, but you have to do it like you have to practice, then only you'll get good at it. So yeah, now let's start with the face cream. I'm gonna again apply Mama Earth face cream. It is for it's of their Bye Bye Blemishes, I think this, I don't know, it says Bye Bye Blemishes face cream. So you guys know how much blemishes I have on my face. That's why I've started applying this cream, and it's not been a long time, so to be honest I can't give my verdict on if it's doing any good for my blemishes, but I will tell you guys if it has worked and any of my future weekly vlogs for sure, because if something is gonna work I will definitely recommend it to you. So yeah, now that we are done with the face cream as well, I'm gonna apply sunscreen. Now sunscreen, I used to not apply it every day religiously, but abhi whether I apply something or not, I make it a point to apply my sunscreen. I do not go out of my house without applying a sunscreen. पहले तो मैं ध्यान ही नहीं देती थी अपने स्किन का, मैं कभी कुछ प्रोडक्ट लगाती ही नहीं थी, बट मैंने बहुत सारे यूट्यूबर्स को बोलते हुए देखा है कि you should always apply a sunscreen always, and yeah, so now whether I apply makeup or not, I definitely do apply sunscreen for sure. So now this sunscreen again, I don't know whether it's working for me because yeah, how will I know यार, कैसे समझ में आता है I don't know. मैं कुछ भी बकवास कर रही हूँ, but anyways ये आधी बॉटल खत्म भी हो गई है इसकी, आधी से ज्यादा, तो या आप इससे समझ सकते हो मैं कितना इसको यूज कर रही हूँ. अभी टैन तो मैं घर के वहाँ ज्यादा जाती ही नहीं होता, इसलिए टैन होने का तो सवाल ही नहीं उठता है, बट या you should apply sunscreen even if you're staying at home. That's at least what most of the makeup gurus say. So yeah, I'm trying to follow that. So for the primer, I'm going to use NY Base primer. Actually ये PR में आया था, और अगर आपने मेरे weekly vlogs देखे होंगे तो मैंने आपको दिखाया था ये आया था मेरे को PR में. तो अगर आपने नहीं देखा तो I'm really upset with the fact that you don't watch my weekly vlogs. It's really disturbing. So definitely watch my weekly vlogs. I show most of the BTS of all the videos in my weekly vlog. So yeah, now I'm gonna apply the primer. अभी प्राइमर भी एक्चुअली आई एम नॉट रियली श्योर कहाँ पे अप्लाई करते हैं, बट आई एम अप्लाइंग इट वेयर यू नो जहाँ पे टेक्सचर एंड ऑल है, ताकि मेरा मेकअप यू नो अच्छे से फ्लो होके अप्लाई हो जाए। एटलीस्ट दैट्स व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू डू हियर। एंड बचा हुआ यहाँ पे अपने फोरहेड पे मैं लगा रही हूँ, बिकॉज काफी ज्यादा मैंने ले लिया एक्चुअली। तो या इसका प्राइमर लिटरली इतना अच्छा है ना यार, इसका और ब्लू हेवन का। मुझे पीआर में आया था तो मैंने इन दोनों का यू नो प्राइमर पहली बार ट्राई किया एंड मुझे काफी अच्छा लगा। सो आई लव इट। एंड एक्चुअली आई एम होल्डिंग द मिरर इन वन हैंड, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम अप्लाइंग लाइक दिस। आई मीन इट माइट सीम सो वियर्ड बट दैट्स बिकॉज यू नो। सो आई थिंक आई एम डन विद अप्लाइंग माय प्राइमर एंड आई होप नाउ माय मेकअप सिट्स प्रॉपर्ली, लेट्स होप। एंड फॉर माय फाउंडेशन आई एम टेकिंग माय मेबलिन्स फाउंडेशन, फिट मी फाउंडेशन, जो आपने बहुत सारे वीडियोस में देखा होगा। मैं ये मोस्टली यही लगाती हूँ एंड आई थिंक मैंने ज्यादा मेरे हैंड पे ले लिया है, बट एनीवेज वी ट्राई टू मेक इट वर्क। सो आई एम गोना यू नो अप्लाई दैट ऑन माय फेस। आई एम डन अप्लाइंग माय फाउंडेशन। नाउ कंसीलर भी यू नो अप्लाई कर देती हूँ ताकि फिर फाउंडेशन और कंसीलर साथ में यू नो ब्लेंड हो जाए, बिकॉज आई एम टू लेजी यू गाइज। Now let's blend this. Now that I'm done with the foundation and concealer, I'm gonna set my face with the matte loose powder that I've been using since ages now. So I'm just gonna set my under eye and the oily area region of my face. Setting my face, I'm going to use this makeup fixer so that all the powders and my foundation and concealer get melted together and look even. This again came in the PR, so I'm really grateful that I got a makeup fixer because I did not own any. At least I did have one, but that got finished or broken or something, so I threw it away. So now we have this. I don't know why I needed a mirror, stupid me. Just you know, I holded it like this and I had to keep my eyes closed, so it was not of use and it was unnecessary. That's why I just felt so crazy. I'm gonna let this dry out, you know. I don't like the smell of this, but it's a you know budget friendly product, so yeah, I get it. The makeup fixer hasn't still dried, but I'm still gonna go ahead and do my brows. I'm using the Benedict's brow something, I don't know. The sticker has you know gotten ripped off, so I don't know, but it is, I guess, I don't know, it's their famous you know Benedict's brow kit. So yeah, I've been using this and I've been loving it. It's quite expensive but totally worth the price. So yeah, if you have money, go invest in this. For regular wear, this brow is just amazing, especially if you already have naturally good brows, then you just need this and you're good to go. Ready for Diwali, I obviously want to you know look all shiny and glowy and all. I want my face to you know depict light and depict Diwali, and it sounds crazy, but I want to look glowy and I want to look gorgeous. So I'm gonna go crazy with my eye makeup. At least I'm gonna go glowy crazy. So since it's Diwali, I've decided to use my gorgeous Huda Beauty's you know this palette. I don't know what is, it's the new nude palette and I love the shades of this nude palette, Huda Beauty's nude Huda Beauty. Oh my god, I'm so crazy. I'm repeating that. Anyways, you know, when I'm in front of the camera, I kind of get all quirky and yeah, I just lose my senses basically. So anyways, I'm just kidding by the way. So anyways, I'm gonna start with the basic neutral shades and then I'm gonna top it off with the glittery shades that are in this gorgeous you know Huda Beauty's nude palette. I mean, look at these shades, look at it. If you're someone who loves you know glittery shades and who loves nudes, then this palette is definitely for you. So yeah, so I'm gonna first start with I think I'm gonna start with the shade I'm gonna start with the concealed shade, so that yeah, and since there is a mirror in this, I don't need my mirror, so it's a win-win you guys. so that it gets applied gorgeously. And oh my god, the shades are so creamy, you guys. If you apply these shades on your face or on your eyes, you're gonna feel the creamy texture. They're really well made, and obviously that's why they cost you so much, but they're totally worth the price. I mean, I love it. Look at it. I love it. It's obviously for the base, this shade, that's why this concealed is made, but you could also use this as a concealer if you're fair skin. I mean, I'm definitely brown skin, and definitely my skin tone is the the original Indian skin tone, so this will be a little lighter on my skin tone. That's why I'm not going to use it ever for for like as a concealer. I'm not going to use, basically. That's what I mean. So yeah, definitely makes a good base for my eyeshadow. Now I'm going to use the Teddy shade, and yeah, it's going to look nice. Actually, my lehenga is kind of maroonish brownish, so this will look nice. Now I'm going to even choose a darker shade that says Raw. I mean, it's called Raw. So yeah, that is definitely going to match the color of my lehenga. My favorite part, I'm gonna choose the glittery, eye shade, eyeshadow, I guess. Oh my god, wow, oh my god, wow. The shade's name is Infatuated. Oh my god, it's so pigmented, so pigmented and so beautiful, wow, mashallah. Now for the inner corner, I'm choosing Fantasy. I don't know whether I should use the brush or my hand. Let's just go with my brush. I don't think the brush is working, so I'm gonna choose my hand. I'm gonna use another finger. And again, to highlight the corner of my eyebrows, I'm going to use this Crave shade, and it is really gorgeous. I've used this earlier and I've loved it. I mean, wow. This eyeshadow palette is really very easy to apply. That's why it costs so much, because it's so easy to apply. कि क्या ही बोलूं, मक्खन की तरह लिटरली आई शेड्स लग रहे हैं, मक्खन की तरह. मैंने एक्चुअली काफ़ी बारी क्रेव वाला जो शेड है ना, एज अ हाइलाइटर भी यूज़ किया है, एंड अभी भी वही करने वाली हूँ. मुझे वो काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है क्योंकि वो काफ़ी ग्लो देगा एंड काफ़ी फोटोज़ में तो काफ़ी मस्त लगेगा, इसलिए फिर वाई नॉट, आई लव दिस शेड क्रेव. I'm done with my highlighter, and also I'm done with my eyeshadow, and you can see how gorgeous my eyeshadow looks, doesn't it? I'll show a close-up, don't worry. Now I'm going to apply blush. Actually, I should have applied my kajal and mascara and all of that because I was doing my eyes, but anyway, since I said I'll apply blush, let's apply blush only first. So for my blush, I'm using the Nudies Bloom, and it's a nude stick, and the shade is Poppy Girl. So I'm gonna apply it here because I've seen a lot of YouTubers and a lot of makeup artists say that if you apply in this area of your cheeks, then your face looks uplifted. So that's why, and also it looks good structured. That's why I'm gonna apply my blush here. Some for the nose because we wanna look all red and glowy. And I'm done with the blush, and normally I don't contour my face, so I'm not going to do it today also because I don't know properly how to do it and I don't want to ruin this good makeup. But I'm definitely going to apply a little bit of highlighter because I don't know if I've ruined the highlighter by rubbing off my face with the blush, so I'm going to apply a little highlighter again. So Bharat and Doris's highlighter I've been using since 2 years, and I love their highlighters as well. I mean, it's perfect and perfect for the festive season, to be honest. Just going to apply a little because the glitter is already there. A lot of the glitter is there, So just a little bit of highlighter, just a little bit. If I've not done a good job with my blush, now my best friend is gonna make a lot of fun of me because she's gonna call me Lali. That's what she called me in one of my vlogs, and if you watched it you would know it. But yeah, she made a lot of fun of me. So yeah, I don't think I'm looking that red. Am I? Do you guys think I'm looking red? So just a little highlight and I'm done. I'm not applying anymore. Now I'm going to use the Blue Heavens Kajal. It again came in the PR, so I'm going to just apply that. And I don't think I'm going to apply an eyeliner because I love my eyeshadow. I don't want to touch anything there. Oh my god, the Kajal, this thing fell. I don't know how. But anyways, I don't want to ruin my eyeshadow, so that's why I'm not going to, use an eyeliner. I'm just going to use a gorgeous mascara, and I love the eyeshadow already. So yeah. काजल के बिना मैं सच्ची अच्छी नहीं दिखती यार. मेरी मॉम तो बोलती है मैं भिखारी दिखती हूँ, but even I agree that, like, I agree to it completely. Without kajal, I mean, kajal just makes everything so much better. Like, even if I don't do makeup, then it'll be okay, but I have to, apply at least kajal. Like, kajal is the one that I should definitely apply because it makes a complete difference. I mean, look at my eyes now. They're looking so gorgeous, aren't they? Today's Diwali, I'm going to use two mascaras. I'm going to use the Bad Girls Bang Benefits Mascara to lengthen, and also it also gives volume, but mostly it lengthens my eyelash. So I'm going to use this, and then I'm going to use Rimmels also. You'll see. First we'll use this. Just with one coat, look at the difference and look at my lashes. They look so beautiful. I mean, I'm just in awe. Now for the second coat, I'm going to use Rimmels mascara. Actually, even if you use this one alone, if you're on a budget, this Rimmels mascara just does wonders. On a day-to-day basis, if I'm doing makeup for my videos, then I only use this mascara, and it is just absolutely gorgeous. Trust me, it's worth the money, and also it's a drugstore product, if I'm not wrong. Totally worth the money, yaar. It's so inexpensive. It's just for 400 rupees, and on sale you'll even get this for 200 or something like that, and totally worth the price, guys. Especially for a new beginner, this is just a steal. I love this. I totally swear by this because I've used it since almost a year now, I think, and it's almost about to get over also. With applying my mascara, it's the hardest task of applying makeup or doing makeup. अगर मुझे कुछ लगता है तो वो है मस्कारा लगाना, क्योंकि काफी पेशेंस लगता है, काफी पेशेंस. हर बार मस्कारा, ये पहली बार होगा कि मैंने मस्कारा लगाया और ऊपर नीचे की तरह लग नहीं गया, वरना जब भी मस्कारा लगाती हूँ हमेशा इधर या इधर ऊपर लग ही जाता है. Then I have to wipe it off. So yeah, I'm done with applying the mascara. It's the toughest part, trust me. Now only the lipstick is remaining, so yay. So the last time I wore this outfit, I had applied a nude lipstick, and this is the second time I'm wearing that outfit. So I don't want to go, I don't want this makeup to be nude. I want to be extra because it's Diwali. So I'm gonna go for this, I'm using this lipstick from Nykaa, and the shade is Mulled Wine, because I think it's gonna match my, lehenga, the outfit that I'm wearing. So I'm applying this. So I'm done with applying the lipstick. I don't think my lehenga is this shade. I mean it's not of this color for sure. I might top off some other shade once I wear the, lehenga. So guys, I don't know if you know or not, I actually never buy clothes for Diwali. Like, especially for Diwali, मैंने आज तक मतलब नहीं खरीदे कपड़े. एटलीस्ट पिछले 3 से 4 साल में तो नहीं खरीदे, क्योंकि मैं एवी भी हर आए दिन शॉपिंग करती रहती हूँ, तो मुझे ऐसा फील नहीं होता कि दिवाली है तो खरीदते, बिकॉज इट्स नॉट समथिंग आई जस्ट डोंट फील लाइक इट एज वेल. आपने ऑब्वियसली मैंने व्लॉग भी नहीं किया था, बट मैंने हर दिवाली को मेरी मॉम की साड़ीज ही पहनी है, जो ऑब्वियसली मेरे लिए तो नहीं होगी ना, क्योंकि उसने पहनी हुई है. बट you get the point. I never buy clothes especially for Diwali. I buy only traditional clothes when it is someone's wedding or something like that. तो ये मैंने किसी की शादी में पहना था 2 या 3 साल पहले, only for 2 hours, and after that I never wore this, and this was again 3 or 4 years back. एंड उसके बाद मैंने कभी पहना ही नहीं। सो ऐसे, और वो था 10,000 का, यू नो। सो ऐसे कपड़े अपन लेते और एक बार ही पहनते। सो आई डोंट सी I don't see it making any sense for me to buy something that's so expensive that I'm not going to be using on a day-to-day basis or like that, you know। तो इसलिए आज मैं उसको फिर से पहनूंगी, क्योंकि मैंने उस पे एक्चुअली मेरे कोई अच्छे फोटोज है ही नहीं। मेरे फोटोज हैं तो मेरे डैडी के साथ है, मेरी फैमिली के साथ है, बट मेरा सिंगल कोई अच्छा फोटो नहीं है। एंड वो काफी बहुत ड्रीमी है, बहुत गर्ली है, तो मुझे उस पे स्लोमो एंड अच्छे अच्छे फोटोज खिंचवाने हैं। तो इसलिए फिर से मुझे वो पहनना है, तो इसलिए आई एम गोना वेयर इट टुडे अगेन फॉर द सेकंड टाइम। बट या, इफ फॉर मी आई स्टिल फील इट्स न्यू, बिकॉज पहली बार जब पहना था तो उसको पहने हुए 4 साल हो गए। एंड कुछ सिर्फ 2-3 घंटों के लिए ही पहना था शादी के लिए। सो आई एम सो एक्साइटेड टू वेयर इट। मैंने ड्राई क्लीनिंग भी करवा ली, क्योंकि पिछली बार जब पहना था तो वो कैसा फ्लोर टच है, तो नीचे छूता है तो गंदा हो जाता है। एंड यू आर गोना लव द आउटफिट, ट्रस्ट मी। सो आई एम गोना गेट इनटू माय आउटफिट एंड बी बैक। हाँ, काश ऐसा रियल में ऐसे चुटकी बजाते ड्रेस हो पाते, बट एनीवेज आई एम चेंज इनटू माय आउटफिट। और आज मैं सेटिंग स्प्रे लगाना भूल गई, तो पहले वो लगाते हैं। पिछली बार बहुत ज्यादा लग गया था, इसलिए अभी कम लगाती हूँ। बहुत ही गंदा स्मेल है इसका, लिटरली ऐसा लगता है कोई सोल्यूशन का स्मेल है। Now that I'm done with my setting spray, let's accessorize this gorgeous outfit. So for the first accessory, let's wear these gorgeous bangles. As you can see, these are a lot of bangles, right? But that's because I love bangles a lot. So yeah. Done. And for my earrings, I'm gonna wear this. एंड आई डोंट नीड टू वेयर अ नेकलेस, कॉज इसका नेक ऑब्वियसली ब्लाउज का जो है पूरा भरा हुआ ही है। आई मीन क्लोज नेक को क्या जरूरत नहीं पड़ती गले में कुछ पहनने की। तो या, दीज आर माई गॉर्जियस इयररिंग्स। And I'm also gonna wear a nose ring because I love nose rings, and also because they look good on me. So that's the main reason I'm wearing it. And yeah, you'll see how gorgeous they look, by the way. See, aren't they beautiful? I told you na, I mean aren't they nahi ek hi hai, so yeah, I told you na, nose rings look good on me. So see, they're so beautiful. Now I'm gonna get my hair done and be back. So guys, I didn't do anything with my hair क्योंकि मेरे naturally बाल काफी straight है, so I'm just gonna keep them open and let them be as it is because they look gorgeous just like that. So yeah, that is it for my get ready with me for Diwali वाला वीडियो। अभी ये होने के बाद आप मेरा complete outfit देखोगे, so enjoy that. That is it. You saw my outfit, you saw my makeup, and that is exactly how I got ready for Diwali. Today is Lakshmi Pujan, so happy Diwali, and I hope you're having a good Diwali, and I hope you're staying safe, and I hope you're not burning any crackers because we do not need any more air and noise pollution, and also don't trouble those dogs on the streets. So yeah, with that said, happy Diwali to you and your family. Stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video, which will be on Monday. Until then, stay safe, take care, enjoy your Diwali, and yeah, bye bye.